Hello YouTube, Chashtech is back with another video, and today's video is about how to fix a Microsoft Word stopped or not working or not opening in Windows computer. And these solutions will work for Windows 7, Windows 8, 10, and any Windows product. If you are using a Microsoft Word, you can use this uh, four solutions to solve your problem. So let's see how can we solve the Microsoft stopped responding. So the first thing that we will do is getting into here the Windows icon. Go to your Windows icon on the desktop on your monitor. Go to the Windows icon, then right click on it and select Task Manager. This Task Manager. Select the Task Manager. So this one will help us to close the open window from its source, or you may have multiple Microsoft. For instance, in my case, I only have one. If you have 2, 3 Microsoft Words here, those things may create Microsoft's Word to stop responding. So the first thing that you should have to do is select the Microsoft Word, then here select in the task for Microsoft Word. So click in the task and it will terminate here Microsoft Word from your monitor. So then close the task manager and try to open Microsoft Word. We proceed to the second solution, which is repairing the whole Microsoft product, which is in order to repair the Microsoft Office Word, the whole junk which is repairing will take you by clicking here the Windows icon. Click the Windows icon on your computer, then select here setting, and after the setting here opened, you may reach on this page, then click on apps, or you can type here apps, or you can use this one. So I will use the short path, which is select apps. Then after you find apps, then go to apps and feature. Then on apps and feature, you will find different applications on your computer. So go to the bottom page, which is to find Microsoft Office. Here I found the Microsoft Office on my computer. So on the left side here, you find 3 dots. So go to here and select the 3 dots and click on modify. Click on modify. So select this and click on modify. So it will ask you the question on how would you like to repair your Office programs. So select quick repair or online repair. But on the first case, select quick repair, which is it will not use any internet. It does not need any internet connections. Most of the Microsoft Word problems will be fixed with this quick repair. So first use the quick repair, and if the quick repair solution is not working, then select the online repair. So first use the quick repair, which is select repair, and it will ask you ready to start a quick repair, then select here repair. And you should have to use the third solution. The third solution is related with services. So in order to get the services, type on the search box on your computer and type services. Services. Here I found services. So run as administrator, right click on it and run it as administrator to open the service section on your computer. So it will open the service section, then find for Print Spooler. Print Spooler. I'm going to put the name on the screen, Print Spooler. So I'm going to click P to find Print Spooler. Here I found the Print Spooler option on the bottom page, which is Print Spooler. So select the Print Spooler and right click on it, then go to the properties. And as you can see, the startup type is automatic. So select here manual. select manual, then select here apply and select OK. So as you can see, the Printer Spooler startup type changed into manual. So clean this the service section and restart your computer. Restart your computer. Then the fourth and the final solution will be opening the Regedit, section. So in order to open the Regedit, again here, click the search icon and type on the search bar run. And after you type run, you find run here, then open this run and type Regedit. As you can see here, type Regedit. So type Regedit, then select OK. So here the Regedit section opened, and you find the Regedit section like this. Then follow me step by step. I'm going to show you how you can solve this, the word stop. So after you open the Regedit, then click here the key current service, which is this arrow. Expand this arrow. Then after you expand this arrow, then the next one will be find software. So on the software, click the arrow to expand it. So select the software and go to find Microsoft. Here I found Microsoft. Then expand Microsoft again. And after Microsoft expanded, go find for Office. Then here I found Office. As you can see, it's more expanded. So here I find Office. Then click the arrow in the Office. So after you find the Office, you are going to see different versions. You may have version 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So only click on the final version that you have, which is, on my case, I have version 16. So click the arrow on the version of the computer, the Microsoft Office. So I'm going to click the arrow, and after you open the version, then you find different Office products: Access, Common, Excel, PowerPoint. So the failure is related with Word. So click the Word and expand the Word section. So after you expand the Word section, you will find data in the very first beginning. So click on it, right click on the data and select delete. No worries, after you delete all these files and you restart your computer, then when your computer restarts back, it will open the Word in a safer mode, or it stops the collision that you are facing, which is failure. So select delete. So it will ask you, are you sure you permanently delete all this key and all its subkeys? Then select yes. Then here data is deleted, then select close and right click, then restart your right click and restart your computer. The restart completed, then try to open your Microsoft Word, and I hope all these 4 solutions helped you to solve your Microsoft failure related with not opening or not working. And if it is helpful, give me comments on the comment section, and give me likes on my videos. And if you are new here, please subscribe. Chachi Tech for today. Chachi Tech out.